Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A54 5G, and I will show you how you can check the number of apps opened each day. So you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for digital well-being and the parental controls. Click to show your data, go for the unlocks, and as you can see right here we can find how many times each app were opened. And here we got some kind of a bug, because as you can see here we got the name of settings on the camera of our gallery and the Spanish language. Okay, but never mind. As you can see this, okay, right now when I tap to show other apps it just fixed, so okay. And as you can see the settings were open at 17 times, Google 7, camera 6. You can go for the other days by tapping right here, so yeah, just like that. And we can go for the other weeks by swiping with your finger. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.